Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Welcome guys back to my channel. So, because Christmas is around the corner, I decide to cover my BMW on a Christmas lights.
But I will try to do that in 2 hours.
But before starting that, guys, I would like to show you something that's amazing. Like, open the garage door today and look at this. And because I don't have much room in my garage, I have to pull out the cars first. As you can see, guys, I just walking out of the car because I got a sign of the low air pressure on one of the tires. So I believe because it's pretty cold outside, that's why. So add some air in this tire and let's get back to the lights.
Alright guys, so we're back. Let's not put all the lights on. Should I use this one? Or this one? Or maybe this one? No, we're not gonna use any of each. I decided to go with the cable clip. This one right here. See it? Alright, so on the end of the video I'll show you guys how many cable clips I use it for this BMW right here. Alright, so all you guys need is cable clips, Christmas outdoor lights, and car power inverter.
So, because it's super cold outside, it's getting a little bit cold inside the garage too. So, I have this electrical heater right here. You guys can find it at Walmart for 35 or 40 bucks, whatever. I believe might help a little bit. That's in case you guys don't have any heater inside of garage. As you can see, I have everything ready on the ground right here. The time is set, so the car is ready for the lights. So let's start this, guys. If you like this type of video, please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.
Alright guys, so we're done with the hood, we are moving to the side of the car.
So 41 minutes and 45 seconds left, and I think we're doing pretty well. Look at these, guys, looks amazing. So hood is done, side of the car is done. We're moving to the front bumper right now. All right, so less than 10 minutes, guys, on the clock right here. So I'm running out of time. I'm 100% sure I'm not gonna finish in time. So the top you can see it's need to be finished, and rear of the car too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I do. So please stay until the end to see how many cable clips I use for this project.
Alright guys, so I just finished to put all the lights on.
So that's how it was looking before, and let's see how it's looking now, guys.
Okay guys, so let's break some numbers a little bit. So I use 2 set of lights, each one of 350 fits. So 2 set of lights, that's 700 fits total. So 1 power inverter right here. Time, I spent 3 hours and 42 minutes, guys, to get this done. So finally, the cable clips. I used total of 749 cable clips, guys, but it's definitely worth it. Take a look. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. See you next time.